Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Sanita and I create content on productivity, personal growth, organization and a happy lifestyle. So if either of these is something that you are interested in or if this is something that you would like to improve yourself in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also click on that bell so that you can be notified every time I drop out a new video. You know that I talk quite a lot about productivity and organization. But you know what? It is also important to have some inspiring things around us that makes us more productive and organized. Especially when it comes to productivity, there are quite a lot of productivity tools that we can use to make us more productive and efficient. So recently I received some of the best productivity tools from Factor Notes, which is a popular Indian stationery brand. So in today's video, I will be reviewing all of these productivity tools and also let you guys know why you should also use them. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's begin with the smallest of all productivity tools here, which is the to-do list from Factor Notes. So here's the Factor Notes to-do list, and I honestly think this is so cute. Not just being cute, it is very effective as well. And this can be so functional if it is used in the right way because it has wide space to write down all your things. Because sometimes to-do list will be too fancy that you will barely have space to write down the tasks. But that's definitely not the case here. As you can see, it has a lot of space to write down all your tasks. Also, you can write up to 15 tasks here in case you don't want so much tasks for a single day. You can even use it for the next day as it is of course undated. Another great thing about this to-do list is that it lasts very long time as it is pretty thick. So yeah, overall this to-do list is very functional, so use it every day and make yourself more productive. So before we go further, I would like to let you know that all these links of these products will be in the description below, so go check them out and grab yours now. And the next product, which is my another favorite, is this Factor Notes Planner Pro. This planner is absolutely cool and amazing. So now let's see how it is. Beginning with the cover, of course, cover is really thick, hard and stiff. My favorite part of the cover and one of the things that makes cover more prettier is that it is black. I honestly feel like, black planners look so good, especially this one is really well finished and so well textured. And at the back we also have this strip which is black color too, and this can definitely be of a great use. Moving into the planner, we have an introduction page where you can write your name, and it also says write, plan and win. Then we have a page for top 5 goals of the year, which is very important because goal setting is very important in order to become successful. Going further, we have a page for creating your vision board, followed by pages for mind map, favorite quotes, days to remember and your self-love plan. And then we have a very interesting spread here which has some questions to answer about yourself. Oftentimes we end up not knowing ourselves very enough, but these questions will definitely help you get better with that and know yourself much better. Going further, we have pages for meal planning, planning your ideal day and week. Next, we do have budget plan and shopping list, which are really important, though we oftentimes ignore their importance. We have 12 pages of both budget planning and shopping list for 12 months of the year. Coming next, we have 12 monthly focus spreads where you can plan your entire month here and you can also write down your monthly notes here. Next, the most important of all, we have weekly spreads where you can write down your weekly plans. It also has space for things to remember, your top priorities of the week and a tiny habit tracker and also place to write down your notes. We have 52 of these spreads for 52 weeks of the year, and at the end we also have some fun and interesting spreads like books to read, things to learn, places to visit, movies to watch, series to binge, health index and also vacation plannings. And at the very end we also have some place to write down your notes. And another cool thing about this planner is that it has this very interesting and cool stickers at the behind. So overall, this planner is a very effective planner and it is very functional if it is used in the right way. And 3 amazing things about this planner is that you can start it any day, it lasts for a complete year and it is also non-dated. Coming to the next productivity tool, we have this beautiful habit tracker. Habit tracker has definitely been that one thing that I've been wanting to use since a very long time because tracking your habits is not an easy job and sometimes we end up not inculcating habits due to this reason because we don't track them very well. Now looking at Factor Notes habit tracker, this is how it looks like and it says write, plan and win. We have 12 of these spreads for entire year and with alternate colors blue and green. You can write up to 9 activities in the daily habit tracker And another great thing is that it also has a weekly habit trackers, because sometimes there are activities that we have to do only once in a week or twice a week. So activities like that can be written down in weekly habit tracker so that we can ensure that we do them every single week. And at the below we also have space for your monthly goals, things to remember, and also notes. Behind of every page we also have space for gratitude, your accomplishments, rewards, and notes. And the most amazing thing about this planner is that you can keep it like a calendar at your desk or your study table, so that it acts as a great reminder every time you see it, and it will be more easier for you to track your habits. So to conclude, I would like to say that all these productivity tools from Factor Notes are very functional, so make sure to check them out in the description below and grab yours now. And a disclaimer, all these are my honest opinions. And a disclaimer, all these are my honest opinions, and Factor Notes has not said me or forced me to say any of this. It is just that I love all these products very much and I have shared my opinions with you all. So that is all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and also comment down below other productivity tools that you use to make yourself more productive and efficient. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.